I'm obsessed. Love it so much. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Saturday, October 23rd, and I am getting ready to go and do something a little different to myself, to something I've been wanting to do for a minute. It's time for a change. So it is a little chilly out here today, but I am headed to my appointment. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And I cannot wait for just this little switch up. Today I plan on also taking some pictures, getting some content done, and working on the store launch, which is set to be in a few weeks, as well as preparing for the series for Giving Flowers series, and the panel that I'm doing for homecoming. So just a few of those things, and then also making sure my appointments are set for my car maintenance before I get on the road. So just wanted to check in. Remember, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to stay put. Okay, you're gonna love it here. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure to click the notification bell so you can know when all new content is dropping. It begins. If you guessed that I was getting ready to do something to my hair, you are right. I'm super excited to begin this process. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Stay tuned. Just got blow dry. This hair was growing. Here we go. Alright, the next part of the process. So we are pressed out, honey, and it is time for the change. It's time for the change.
You just walked in? Okay, cool. I'll be right back.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so we're getting ready to go to the next phase. I'm super excited about what's to come. And ta-da! Oh my gosh. So I just got me my fall winter cut, the start of, we're shedding here, honey. We're shedding. Victoria just slayed my hair. I absolutely love it, guys. So silky, so beautiful. I'm obsessed. Love it so much. So, hold on, let me make sure y'all can see me. But I just wanted to tell a little something. So this morning, my appointment for this style, my haircut was at 8 a.m. and it was the last available appointment. And I did a lot of research. I'm really a really big energy person, especially, you know, people doing your hair and things of that nature. I wanted to make sure, you know, somebody that's going to be knowledgeable, because I have a few people here, especially that I go and get silk presses only from, and when they're booked up, it's like I have to find another person that I trust that's going to deliver the great cut, customer service, good energy, and things of that nature when, you know, establishing that relationship, because, you know, you want it to continue, hopefully. So, the young lady, this is my first time meeting her. I was impressed by her reviews and things of that nature. So she ended up running almost an hour late. And instead of freaking out and going crazy, I'm like, you know what, just get here safely. There was a lot of accidents. Her car had been, you know, messing up on her and things of that nature. But what's interesting is because when I booked the appointment, I booked the cut, so it typically comes with a shampoo, a blow dry, and you just get your cut. And I'm like, freak, I wanted to get it pressed, of course, so it can be styled how I wanted it to and last. But I'm like, well, because her availability was booked, I might just have to get a blow dry. And I know how to press the fuck out of press my hair, you know? So, ended up being late. She was very apologetic, very effective with her communication, letting me know, you know, what was going on, what time I could expect her, all of these things, right? So, because of that and that happening, I ended up still being able to get my press and everything else. The experience was very wonderful. I'm excited that I was able to do it, and I love my cut. I love it. It's everything that I wanted. Now I can't wait to do more with it, my color and things that I wanted. But this is a good foundation. I feel like I'm shedding things that no longer serve me. But yeah, it's like things continue to work out for me even when it don't look like it. It's like her being late, and I wanted her to be safe and stuff, but it's like her not being able to be on time, I still was able to get the things that I needed. The universe looked out for me, looked out for her, because we ended up having great conversations. So things worked out, and I'm just grateful. So that's my little tidbit on this beautiful Saturday. Time to get the day started. I'm about to go make me some delicious breakfast, and then probably get on my content and things that I told you guys about earlier. So check in a little bit later. Mwah. So now I literally just finished doing a face. I did my makeup, natural beat, and I lined my eye with this yellow. Let me see if I can look down and you can see it. And I did I have like this smoke plum grayish vibe going on. Didn't have to do anything to the hair. I have on this all black ensemble, and I'll try to get some behind the scenes, but I'm trying to beat the sun from setting so I can get some content pictures for promo for the website and social media, and then come back here and shoot some type of content video today. Maybe because I was supposed to do a life update vlog, some type of how-to in terms of like entrepreneurship, something like that. I don't know, but I'm headed to go do that now. I have some of the products that I'm going to be selling in the back, with just something to make this give it a more fall effect, like with the jacket and things of that nature. So I am headed to find a space with just a blank canvas. I can get some shots outside, and then maybe I might roll up on something else too. So you guys will be coming along with me. I'll check in a little bit later.